Heat all day and showers popping up all over the place.
Well, it's about that time. We should have something popping up on the radar right about now, huh, Doug?
Yeah, I worked in Orlando for a while, and it was just amazing. Highs in the 90s, high humidity, and a chance of thunderstorms. I mean, that's D.C. also in the month of July. That's exactly what we have out there, and that's exactly what we'll have the next few days, too. We saw a pretty good number of storms yesterday. We have a few out there today, a little bit less tomorrow, and then we're just talking about heat and humidity. I mean, you really see what's happening. Look around our region. The showers and storms that were here are really diminishing quickly. Now, we do have a lot back toward the Shenandoah Valley, back around Luray, parts of Rappahannock County, back toward the Blue Ridge. And in the city, we saw a really big storm right over parts of northeast, portions of Prince George's County. But now, just some rain falling now, some lighter rain falling inside the district. We were watching this shower as well around the Chantilly area, just to the north and west of Chantilly. Had a lot of lightning with it. That one starting to rain itself out. And now I'm actually looking at this one back to the north and west here, just around the Bluemont region. Let me see if I can do a little bit of a zoom there. There we go. This one's now forming. This is a brand new storm that's now forming west of Leesburg around Bluemont. No lightning associated with it yet, but we could see that. And as we see this line right here, that line, actually some wind that's making its way to the west could spawn a few more storms. So maybe around Middleburg, back towards Bluemont, maybe the Berryville area. So heads up in that region. Down to the south and west, I mean, look at these storms. A lot of storminess down here. Back along I-81, Shenandoah County, Page County, Rappahannock, Culpeper County, all seeing some pretty good storms in this area. They're not moving a lot either. So if you're in this region, driving through some of the mountains, driving through some of the hilly terrain out here, we could see some localized flooding. So that's something to remember. This is all part of a system. You can see a lot of showers and storms really away from the coastline back here towards the mountains. We'll continue to see. Now, take a look at our city camera shot. Yeah, there's one of those showers. You can see the sun beginning to make its way down behind a storm. That storm right now that I mentioned is right there toward the Chantilly area. 82 degrees, winds out of the southeast at 9 miles an hour after a high temperature today of 91, or actually 92 is what we hit today. We're at 82 right now in the city, 78 Gaithersburg because of the rain. Leesburg also some rain at 82 degrees. No rain in Fredericksburg, temperature there still at 90. And the next couple of days, boy, do we heat up big time. High today, 92. High tomorrow, I'm going 96 tomorrow, 97 Thursday, a pair of 99s on Friday and Saturday, and 100 degrees on Sunday. I would not be surprised. Some of the computer models even giving us 100s into parts of northern Virginia over the next couple of days. So this is some real heat we've got moving in. Best chance of storms Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's not just the heat, guys. It's also the humidity. I'm going to talk much more about the heat index and which days I think could see a heat advisory. We saw 2 of them last week. I think we could see quite a bit more over the next couple of days. We'll talk about that. I'll see you back here in just about 20 minutes.
All right. Stay busy. We'll see you in a bit. A former congressional staffer facing a judge amid charges that he leaked naked pictures of his boss to her friends and her rivals.
It's been a topic of debate for decades, but tonight a decision over plans for a second Potomac River bridge as commuters search for options to ease the gridlock.
Cutting back on candy and sodas, what one local county is adding to their vending machines to help fight the fat.
Mattress Warehouse, using science, not pressure, to help you